You can use Sentry Logs to add context to issues that stack traces cannot capture. Let me show you how. I have a React Native mobile app with an Express.js backend that uses AI to generate food recipes. And I've got this error that I want to debug. Cannot read property to uppercase of undefined. If you scroll down, we're going to see the exact line where this error is happening. So looking at this, we can see that the diet property of the user profile is undefined. And because this application uses AI to generate food recipes, I am taking into account the user's diet, but I have not designed my application for the diet to be undefined. It's either going to be none, or it's going to be keto or vegetarian or any other specific diet. To me, this looks there are two different scenarios or two possible scenarios. One, the diet property is undefined during the first render, and that's when the crash happens because we are forcefully invoking to uppercase to it. Or the second scenario is that the diet really is undefined. And I'm going to use Sentry Logs to determine exactly which scenario is in play here. Because logs are connected to issues and traces and even session replays, I can be on an issue and pull all of the logs associated with that issue that happened during that session. So if I scroll down to the logs section and click on view more, I'm going to see that full stack feed of logs that happened across the mobile app and the backend. The backend is outlined with the Express.js icon here, and if we look closely in the API profile get, I'm basically logging out all of the values that I'm returning from the backend, and the diet really is undefined. So it's not that the diet has a value, but it's undefined during the first render. The diet is actually undefined. And this tells me that it's the second scenario in case. It's not about conditionally rendering something. It's about a property actually being undefined. And I'm thinking it should have been none instead of undefined, but this is my rabbit hole. I can actually get in and do further debugging here. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more about logs, check out our logs quick start page. Thanks for watching.